Ever bought something on Amazon and realized it wasn't quite right? Getting a refund on Amazon is a straightforward process, and in the next minute and a half, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, you'll need to head to your Amazon account, hover over Account and Lists in the top right corner, and then click on Orders. This will take you to your order history. Find the specific item you wish to return or get a refund for. Look for the button that says Return or Replace Items. Click that, and you'll be presented with options to either return the item for a refund or replace it. For this tutorial, we're focusing on refunds, so select the refund option. Now, you'll need to select a reason for your return from the drop-down menu. Be honest and choose the option that best describes why you're returning it. You might also have the option to add comments for the seller. Next, you'll choose your preferred refund method. This typically includes options like getting your refund back to your original payment method or as an Amazon gift card balance. You'll also select how you'll return the item, whether it's dropping it off at a UPS location or scheduling a pickup. Amazon will then generate a return label and instructions. Make sure to print this label and securely attach it to your package. Now, simply take your package to the designated shipping location, like a UPS store, for return. Once Amazon receives and processes your return, your refund will be issued. You can track the status of your return and refund within your order history, and that's it. Why Euro, a hassle-free way to manage your Amazon purchases.